Hey guys, it's me again, kachycjay. It's another week, same means there's another content to be tackled. So for today's video, as you can see on the title of my vlog, I will going to share to you how to download TikTok videos without any watermark of the creators. So I'll interrupt. If you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified in my latest video upload. So we shouldn't waste our time doing this intro. So in 3, 2, and 1, let's start this formal video. So guys, disclaimer lang before we will going to proceed in our formal video na hindi ako support sa mga taong magda-download ng content na hindi sa kanila without watermark, tapos i-repost nila sa kanilang social media accounts or specifically sa TikTok. Tapos i-claim nilang sa kanila kahit hindi. Siyempre, dapat fair tayo. Kailangan natin bigyan ng acknowledgement and right credit yung mga owners ng videos na yon kasi unfair talaga yon. At if ever naman nasa inyo yung video, so wala naman akong say doon kasi support naman ako talaga kasi sa inyo naman yon at may right kayong i-repost yon. Hey guys! Nandito na tayo sa screen recorder para ituro ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-download ng TikTok videos without watermark. So let's proceed sa TikTok application. So ito yung nag-pop off. So inspiring siya yung video sa TikTok. So ito yung pipiliin ko guys. So as you notice, wala siyang sound. Sinadya ko talaga to avoid copyright. So, punta tayo dito sa may arrow or share button siya. Tapos, makikita natin yung copy link. Ito yung itatap natin. So, after that, punta tayo sa Google Chrome. And itatype natin yung TikTok video downloader. So guys, as you can see, ito yung makikita natin. Ito. So ito yung itatap natin, yung download TikTok video without watermark online with TikTok. So guys, yung kinapi link natin, dito natin ipipaste sa just insert a link. And makikita natin sa lower part yung downloads, ito yung itatap natin. So please wait daw. So, yung may nag-appear dito, sa ilalim na without watermark, ito yung itatap natin. So, downloading file na siya. So, file downloaded. So, open natin kung legit ba. So, guys, no watermark talaga siya. Yung kanina, makikita natin na may watermark. So, let's see. Sa original vid. Ito. May watermark siya ng creator. So, ganun lang guys. Kung gusto nyong ma-download yung video, TikTok video na without watermark, yun yung way. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something new and don't forget to like and subscribe and do comment if necessary. So thank you for watching, keep safe and God bless.